Which is why I'm here. Rivercorn cats. I'm a scooch. He stretching out my link. And then they right today. To myself, she cast a hand. His eyes for a rush that felt like it left.
Note, before I start this video, please make sure that I'm not forcing everyone to put prefixes in all their C's. You can still use the prefixes whatever you want, just showing how creative bird prefixes are. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today, this is not my usual content. This is about bird prefixes and why they're unpopular. First of all, many people choose their prefixes according to the wiki of the official WereCats wiki or the WCWOC's wiki. Almost all roleplays use the Warriors wiki or the WereCats OC wiki, where they pick random prefixes and suffixes to form a name. Unfortunately, many of the bird prefixes aren't even used in some roleplays, which I'll just call them abandoned prefixes, which it wasn't even used for a very, very long time in WereCats roleplays. And the first reason that we are showing that the bird prefixes aren't that popular is about recognizing. Many of the prefixes are recognizable. Let's take the name Melrose Trop, for example. You know that Melrose, it's a flower. So, but then a random warrior named Where Poor Will Feather came there, and the leader says, Where Poor Feather, you will be our next deputy. Like, this name is very difficult to spell it right. That's why this prefix is considered abandoned. Second, it slows the roleplay down. Like, literally, this name is Whip Poor Will has 12 letters. And it will be more difficult to spell it. That's why people pick simple names like Wakfer or Ashclaw. They're very quicker to spell it right. Again, let's go to the recognize thing. So, if you put an OC name like Meadowlark Willow, many people will not understand what a meadowlark is. Like, meadowlark is literally a bird. Simple names like Dove, Hawk, Pigeon, or Cardinal is more easy to understand. Now the part that everyone was waiting for, the appreciation part. Like, bird prefixes are very cool and very creative. Like, look at these two-part list. If you cannot see the whole list, the docs will be in the description to check it out. Also, you can use any of these prefixes in your next OC, so you can roleplay with it. And if you with a bird prefix from the list, use my hashtag #usebirdprefixes, so I can notice it. So if someone tags it, I'ma like the video and I'ma comment on a video. We have to spread the word, hashtag use this bird prefixes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.